To my channel. So today we are going to cover the Tradingtick website, and let's cover IV. So yeah, last time we have covered the ATM premium, so this time it's time for implied volatility. So you go options, we have covered the futures, we have covered already these three. Now options, we have covered the first five, that is still ATM premium. Now we are going to cover the implied volatility. Okay, so today we are going to cover multi-strike OI interval wise, that also. So let's get started with the implied volatility. So IV. So here in this page we have to work on symbols. We have expiry options, we have strike options, and we have live options, we have history date. Okay, I have to say that individually when you check for symbols, you have all the 200 plus stocks here to check the IV, and then also you have the major index. So let's check for Nifty. So we have expiry here, so it comes with next expiry as well, and here strike. So mostly you could see the strike plus 10 and minus 10. Okay, so if you take off live, you have historical date. So you see October and September and August, so you can compare the IV here. Okay, so these are the basic inputs here, and now this is the chart basis. So it will always cover the time from 9:15 to 3:15. Okay, here, and then here is the implied volatility for the strike 24,400. Okay, now you can pick any ATM and then you can check the strike. So one is put IV, another one is call IV. Okay, so this actually gives us the volatility of for that strike specifically. Now we'll take +3 and -3 and we'll backtest. So for this, you see it is lingering around 14 and 11. Now I'll take for 350. Okay, so it is almost nearby. Now we'll take one of the far OTM, that is 23,850. Now you could see one is stable and the other is very volatile, because one becomes ITM and one becomes OTM as you go far away. Okay, so now we'll go this end 850. So here also you see one is getting stable and the other is getting very volatile. Now check for Bank Nifty. Okay, so Bank Nifty 10 strikes away and 10 strikes inside. So yeah, I just have to. Okay, so here we would check for Bank Nifty. Okay, yeah, the strike change. So you see 51,500 is the ATM for Bank Nifty. So ATM strike ranges from anywhere to 14 to 20 for Bank Nifty. Now we'll go +10 ATM and -10 ATM. Okay, so I'm writing here +10 and -10, that will be 50,500, and the upper side we will have 52,500. so this is mostly for sellers, so yeah, buyers don't have to worry. 5,500, and then you see one is falling off, the other one is staying stable, that is ITM versus OTM. Okay, and then you see 52,500. So we have 50 to 400 option here, you could check here. So one is very volatile, other becomes the OTM. So whenever it is in ATM, it is stable, but if you go far OTM and far ITM, then the values will change. Okay, so yeah, that's it guys. I think I have showed for Nifty and Bank Nifty, so I will also show for stocks. We'll take HDFC because which is correlated with the Bank Nifty. So this is HDFC Bank. Now we'll take the spot. We'll take the resistance and support. So I have to tell you the resistance and support for HDFC Bank is 1700 and 1800, and at the money strike is 1760. Okay, now we'll try to analyze. So for 16, both are stable, right? One is 14 and one is 18. Yeah, you can check the values here. Now I'll take 1700. You could see one becomes OTM and one becomes ITM. So yeah, here you could see. Now we'll go to resistance 1800. So this is the resistance, and you see red color is very volatile than green. Okay, this is how you check IV. Okay, so thank you guys, keep supporting.